Come here. Oreo lady. Come here. I got a grape for you. For both of you. You ready? Huh? Can you sit? Can you sit and shake? Good girl. There you go. Oreo. There you go, Oreo. Are you going to eat it? Oreo, do you have it? She's got it. Let's see if they like grapes. Is it good? Oh, she dropped it. Oreo, get your grape. This lady, she seems to like it a little bit more. Are you eating your grape? Is that good? Is it all gone? Hey, come here. Let's show them how you wag your tail. Hold still, stop. Okay, this dog, I've never seen a dog that wags her tail more than Lady. Lady Bird, hold still. Are you looking for a grape? Come here. Did you just steal her grape? Oreo, yeah. You did steal her grape. Oh, she's gonna roll on the grape. Are you making grape juice? Yeah, good stuff. Lady, you didn't finish yet. Guess she's done. Oreo. You're a good girl. Look at her tail. Oreo, come here. Oreo, come here. Say hi. Good girl.